In this chapter, I'm sharing what I have built by using this Raspberry Pi. So it's this Raspberry Pi 3b mounted into this case, and it has AndroidThings OS from Google installed on a little SD card, micro SD card, and then I have this motion sensor, infrared motion sensor, connected to the GPIO interface. And that's about it. And of course it has a Wi-Fi connection to the network, and the power cables attached to both the case itself and the Raspberry Pi. And if you're doing it around, you can see actually there's a touch display attached to the other side of the case. So let's turn it on to see what's gonna happen. First you see some rainbow stuff, and then it will start loading the AndroidThings OS. Just see the reflection of my hands. Okay, now the OS is coming up, and it'll take a few seconds, and after that it will actually launch my own app. And the purpose of this app was to test and use the driver interface for the GPIO, but also build a simple Android weather station application. As you can see, it's telling us that it's 22 centigrades, 10-20 millibars. Time is at the moment 12:51. Humidity 56, and so on. And as I'm moving, actually it is telling that motion detected. I haven't done any fancy actions yet based on the motions, but that's coming next. But building this kind of a excuse me, AndroidThings application was relatively straightforward. Initially the display was actually coming up upside down, so you need to tweak the OS configuration, but that was quite easy. Building an app itself, the driver, etc., wasn't that hard at all, so it took me only a couple of evenings, and yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? Very nice to build. One thing I was trying to do with it is to use the DHT11 temperature sensor, that I could get the temperature from inside, but unfortunately AndroidThings OS frequency is not tuned fast enough to handle the serial data coming out from the sensor. It's not up to Raspberry Pi hardware, it's more how the AndroidThings OS has been built. Maybe they will fix it soon, but at the moment it didn't work. Actually, we could make it work by using Windows 10 IoT Core OS, which is similar to AndroidThings. So I'm probably gonna try that next. But yeah, pretty cool stuff, huh? Yeah. Okay, talk to you soon in my next chapter.